Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Okay, the game dev project. I have to wait for my IDE a bit. Then run dev one command to start. I have to wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. I can play whatever I want. I worked last on the maze generation. One more line. Okay, it's ready. It runs in the browser. Start browser. Okay, localhost for me. I'm the guy in the middle. I'm unsure what did I want to. I think I had to set up for. Okay, let's play. I'm the guy in the middle. First, I have to choose a class. I take. Okay, let's make it a bit easier. I have. Pay. I have locked a few things. To. Reroll. Not try. Think more HP, max HP, bit more speed. Damage. Okay, so I upgraded. I take sniper and let's see. Enemies around. I can. First, enemies don't see so far, so I can shoot him and they don't even know what's happening. Okay, finally. I get stronger the more enemies I kill, and enemy gets stronger the further away I am. Okay, sniper and sniper. I think snipes I know to see sometimes. It's pretty easy at the start. Some time before they can. Oh, okay. Careful. Boss soon. Straight lines are bad against snipers. I had two minus range upgrades. He will not have far high range. Interesting. Oh. Okay, I got some more rifles upgrade. It doubled my damage. JP 294. Okay. Somehow I'm feeling a bit too weak. My aim is terrible. God. Let's rest a bit. Wait for my speed boost to be up again. I take. Stay still is fine. Nah, I shouldn't reroll for this. Okay. Can I? Okay. Oh, Oh, so many misses. So many misses. And I don't use my stay still. Damage and range, I take it. Make it a lot easier. I should have a lot of more damage. Straight line is not good. Okay, I'm out. Oh, oh, I have to get out of here. Oh god, oh god. Don't think I will survive. Okay, okay, okay. Let's west. Get some HP back and my speed boosts. 7 seconds for boss. Okay, here he is. Just has no range. Don't want another minus range. More rifles or after image? I think more rifles is easier to use. Take another speed and I should be able to be fine to. Oh god, oh god, oh god, too many. I managed. Oh. Hurts, it hurts. Interesting. Some way. Oh, I stuck on the wall. Boss, I have. Okay. Split shot is what I take. Reduce cooldown. So do. Often my speed boost duration is not that important, but often I can use it. Hmm. Oh god, oh god. Somehow, if no stay still. Some calm corner. Don't drill too much on. Okay, I managed. Seconds, let's reload. Should still die pretty fast. Oh, I didn't dodge. Another split shot. Another minus cooldown. I wait for a bit, but I am close to the king area. Okay. Okay. I did. I think I'm ready. Damage should be enough. Ah, this is a sniper with no range. No range, but one shot would probably do a lot of damage. Cannot activate stay still, can I? I can go in this corner. Enough time. Oh, easy boss. 0.3 million damage per second. Can I see how much? 50 million only? Interesting. Is this correct? Isn't 50 million the default? Let's see, combat log, no, doesn't matter. Damage and range was 50%, stay still, okay, makes sense. Achievements, I have a lot of this, but I want to see. Top is still default. 50 is default. Okay, a sniper do not get. I thought they would default to higher values. Okay, doesn't matter. This was on one. I want to. What do I want to work now? First, increase version number. Main 328. Next, map modifier is gonna continue if Mesogen looks like something, so I need to enable my ice modifier. I start. So it's active. This is a solve-able maze. And I think I want to tanky. So I'm slow. So I can only start by. Okay, this is an easy solve. And it's done. Not even a choice I needed to make. So the goal is to get into the middle. I should. The clouds already reach. I should destroy this thing. Where is it? Here is it. Okay. Let's die once. Clouds are no longer in the way. Let's see another. Okay, this is solve-able. Let's go in. Tanky, go out. Maybe. And there. Okay, the enemy's inside. I don't care for now. This is. I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything. I cannot. Oh, I can choose left or don't see it. Maybe I should stop. Shouldn't make too much changes, I guess. Goal is to get to the middle. There is a path. My pathfinding. Okay, my pathfinding creates a lot of lag, I guess. Because I have enemies on trees. I cannot find a way to me. Means I can. Ah, I see where I have to. Here, and now it's solved. I reached the middle. Okay, true. 25. The thing I wrote down was. It's like something difficult should be more consistent, fight different maze size, check escapability. The See, this is again just no choice, one choice. So I should probably try to guess the difficulty of a maze. So I know it's solve-able. So there's currently no guarantee. Maybe let's. I need to. I want the word solve-able before this because I want to add more information later. For testing purposes. I no longer use, only solvable, solve-able. No, you don't. This one I want solve-able. this would display it. Did I check try different maze sizes? Different should be most. Okay, continue with. I want to know the difficulty of the maze. I have a value for it. So I guess my solve count the steps from start to end, from entrance to goal, and the amount of decisions I have to take is the difficulty. Is it? Is it the amount of decisions there are? Or the shortest path? I think the shortest path is the difficulty. No, not the shortest path. The path with the least decisions. Okay. I think if I solve it, I already planned something, if I remember correctly. Oh yes, it's complicated. I solve backwards, starting with goal tile. I have to backwards search and I link up my loops. Connecting loop ID I push. Didn't I have connecting goal loop ID? Okay. Is goal tile on loop? I have an ID. So I have the loop ID, the connecting one, so I have to just follow it. Let's try it. First need the entrance. How do I know where the entrance is? I don't, I guess. I need to find the loop with the entrance. To think for a moment. If 21 sounds like a lot. I don't remember the here it connects to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It goes to 11, 11 goes to 7, 7 goes to 1, and 1 is 2. Okay, I can see the decisions. The only thing left is to know the goal tile is. Should already need to verify it. Is solve result solveable? I do what? Check if the entrance tile is reachable. This would mean I go in all direction. This tile in solve turns a boolean. I would only want the ID. So I want the loop ID. And if it's trained this up, this is tile in solve. Get tile is get tile ID for tile, not tile ID. Get loop ID for tile, probably get ID for tile in solve. I want to return a number or undefined. It's not in. Here I would return undefined. And here I would return loop ID. I need to check, need to save this, I guess. I think there was a way to write this, but temp is this one. Temp loop ID if I have ID. No, if loop ID is not undefined, I return loop ID. He thinks I need a boolean. I want a number or undefined. Is tile reachable? Is tile reachable? Get ID or tile. Get loop ID for tile on solve pass. Get loop ID for tile in solve. I think this is correct. Now I temp loop ID. This is check tile loop ID. And this is okay. If I do it like this, I const it. If I give one an own name, tile write ID is this one. Now if this is not undefined, return it. I do the same for the others. Tile left, no, copied, paste, thank you. Something is not fixed. Tile left. Okay, it's correct. That's what I return. Like this. Now tile top. Tile top. And view tile bottom. Bottom. and I want to copy return undefined. So now I get the tile ID for is reachable. Yes. But this is now no longer correct. Solvable. Is solvable and let's I want it a bit different. Get loop ID for tile on solve path. So if on my backward solve I have the tile, it's solvable. This is no longer correct. Is solvable, reachable is not undefined. And it's solvable, but I actually no longer want to use it, I guess. This is I created, only interested in solvable, and now I want, if it's done, if is solvable result, solvable result. So if this is true, its difficulty is starts with 0. I need start loop ID is guess on entrance loop ID. Entrance loop ID. Backwards solve. Don't have the solve. We have suf. This should give me the loop ID. And now while that current loop ID is loop ID, while entrance loop ID while solve entrance loop ID. I hope they are still ordered. Say it can't be undefined, but if it's solvable, it cannot be. So I make like this. Choice tiles connecting. So if goal tile is on this loop, well, it's not. I continue. I will do difficulty plus plus and will do current loop ID equals connecting. So this should exist. I should have let's find out. Reload. This is an old breakpoint, I guess. Turn undefined. What is your problem? Don't see. Oh, an endless loop is your problem. Undefined. This was 15. This needed to start as 15. And 15 was 15. 15 links to 5. 5 links to 1. And 1 is to Skull tile on loop. Skull tile on loop. This should have been true. Why not? Where is my... Because I don't use the queuant. Okay, I'm an idiot. Now it should work. Now I should have solve. I don't print out the difficulty. Difficulty. Four. Let's try it out. Four choices is... This is 4 choices. So I have no choice, first choice. 1, 2, 3. Is it 4? I think for a moment. I guess this was the only part. So it's... So it's a difficulty 4. Let's take it as I am unsure. 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. Let's go as 2. What is a 2? No, not here. Down. No choice, first choice. No, this was my first choice, second choice. Why is the other one a 4? Does it take the shortest? One choice? Yes, it's... So 1 is too easy. Should not happen. What happened? Should not happen. I don't want that the queued tile 10, 10 is blocking. Isn't 10, 10 the middle? I placed the tree on the middle. Okay. Interesting, what happens? I reload. Solvable 1. Because I shouldn't place the tree on the middle. So I have... This 1 is no choice. 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5. Oh, no, 5. Let's see a 5. 5 should be difficult. 5. 20. Oh, 5 sounds difficult. No choice, first choice. It's not really a choice. And down I'm on the same... Is this bouncing up or down this text or just looking like it? I think it's bouncing up and down, but why? Interesting. Doesn't care for now. No. Let's choose some class. I'm stuck here, so this wasn't even a choice. I can only go here. Now I guess I'm going down. Oh. Okay, this seems more difficult. let's go backwards. If I go up, I could be from here. So here, I solve it. Okay, I have it. Okay. 5. Is it too hard? 6. Oh, let's go. See a 6. I don't know if the number is a fair evaluation of difficulty. I cannot see everything. I can zoom out. So I have no choice. I can only left. I have no choice. I can up. Oh, I have a choice. I left or right. This counts as 2 choices, I guess. So if I want to reach this, I could slide against this corner or this one. Both are not. Confused. Now I see it. Okay. What do I get on this? Pass. I see it, I guess. Okay. No, I slided over it. Interesting. This is close. Okay. 6. This is fair, I guess. 3. So I guess this is a 3. Let's try. Go down. No choice, no choice. Here my first choice. I have it. Okay. No, I don't have it. It's the other side. This is. Okay. Made it. 2. I think 2 and 1 is too easy. 2 is. Okay, left I cannot choose. I cannot choose. I cannot choose. I cannot choose. So this is the first choice. And it's finished. So I guess solvable one choice. 0 is not possible. So I slide and should be no choice, no choice. Yes, it's directly. 1 and 2 is too easy. So this is a 2. Can only go left, first choice. Don't see it yet. Oh, down. Okay, this was it. Okay. Did he say 2 choices? I'm still unsure. So, no choice. First choice. Second choice. If it's the 1, the first choice directly reaches the goal. But if something doesn't add up in the difficulty, I mean, it says here's a time aspect. It shouldn't be too hard. I don't know if this is the right difficulty. So the goal should be a difficulty which is I like it. I want to create some bigger versions. Can I do this? Level 5. Where do I set the maze initial size? Here. Let's do a 15. I don't know if I can still use the same entrance tile. I think the build tile is 15. Let's see what happens, I guess. 4. What do you have? Cannot read properties. What is happening? Maze. 625 maze tiles. It goes to minus. What? Something is not working correctly. Minus? So it doesn't, my algorithm doesn't work with sizes yet. But I could move. Okay, I moved and he will want to place it. Let's see if I can find the problem. Gold tile 15 shouldn't be a problem. 13.3. Problem radius. It has to be no 10. Just for interested, let's see a 16. See the maze. It has -1 to -6. And I cut off the top. Interesting. So something is not correct in my algorithm. Let's see. Only because I want the middle somewhere? I didn't use the correct value somewhere. Create, truncate, modify, maze. In game init, I generate the maze, init the maze, create maze offset is a problem. Oh, I was already in it. Generate empty maze. X is maze radius tiles. Middle. Sync from. Shouldn't I start from 0? Middle is 15, 10. Why was this important? Radius tile. Middle. Isn't the middle determined by the radius? So I would say middle is radius, then it works out. But then I would always start with 0. and go to ×2. It was 10 plus 10, now it would be 16. What is the middle doing? Calculate distance. Ah, for the circle generation. Okay, I want maze radius tiles. Maze radius tiles. So the middle is this one. I would always want ×2. And I have the middle I use for distance. Okay, I hope this worked. So I have a circle, it's bigger. Let's find out. Okay, here's the entrance. No, this is no longer escapable, probably. This is no longer escapable. It's bigger. Let's see, can I generate a few? 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Oh, 7, I'm interested. This is a 7. I am trapped inside the moment I'm in. Let me see. This is no choice. This is... Okay, trying to solve on good luck is probably not so easy. Okay, let's think about it. If I... Where's the tile? This tree might be it. I come from here. This is looking good. If I hit this tree from this direction, I can slide here. Now this would mean I start here, I go over here. This tree from below. No. Incorrect thinking. Here, here, here. No, I cannot stop here. Can I here from top? Messed up? Not possible. I think this is a difficult maze. Oh no. I solved it by accident. Okay. But so far so good. But I don't think I can easily... Oh, this is escapable only because I can... Well, escapable would be possible once I... Let's say if I'm in, I have to solve it. Whereas I'm stuck in here forever. I don't remember. Okay. Somehow, just randomly pressing stuff gets me to the end. No, it doesn't. Interesting. Member. Somehow I don't remember. Like this. No. Like this. Yes, like this, okay. Interesting. From here is the point. This point it's easy. Okay. I have, but if I can wait until I have a maze, this might be totally inefficient, but maybe the easy solution. So I just repeat this process until I have a maze which is solvable and has difficulty at least 5, let's say. Let's try it. I no longer use these. I throw this out. I wake. And let me think. I want the difficulty to be displayed and the solve. I don't know. I return the maze. I have this data, so I can just put it out, but I also return it. Maze plus difficulty. Or I could put in a min difficulty. Okay, let's swap it around something more. So function generate some maze. I want probably everything from here. Let's copy everything. I just need the random seed. For now, copy everything, but I want to change this. Here I want to return maze and difficulty number or undefined, or everything could be undefined. If it failed, try generate some maze. I have a random seed. Let's say I put in a maze. So let's maze, put in a maze. Should be a small maze. He doesn't like that I have two mazes. Maze, maze. Let's say, do I create a copy? Maybe radius. I think radius is the interesting part I want to put in. The goal tile will be so radius, so it's in the middle. The entrance tile has to move. Let's say it's radius +3. So this is my maze. Generate. Generate empty maze. I do stuff. At the end, I turn maze, and difficulty. In this case, I don't want this one, I guess. At least I will move it for now. So now I would try to generate some maze. Random seed radius is 15, and that's it. This is not a maze. Maze candidate const min difficulty is, let's say, 5. So if maze do while let maze candidate is this one, while maze candidate is undefined, or maze the difficulty is smaller, min difficulty. And if I have it, I maze candidate maze. So now I have a min difficulty of 5 and a size I get. This is increasingly terrible. And I have the case where let me think for a moment. I set tile on the, I broke it somewhere. Something should not happened because put a tile on the goal. Tile on pass. Okay, here I have random edges and tile. Could I stop this? I have here continue. Until here I can continue, and now I could say if random adjacent tile x is equals maze. No. What is it? Yes, it's maze. Maze. A goal tile x. And random adjacent tile y is equals goal tile y. I copy too much. And I continue. I don't want this case. Okay, this might fix one crash. Interesting. Okay, now I no longer, it's interesting. I want to see the difficulty at the end. Let's still put it out. This I currently don't use, so I will need to check it later. No, I wanted the you are stuck here forever version. Wait, is it? It's solvable, so I mean, this means from the entrance I can solve it. I should not reach any deadlock, I hope. I will check later. It's difficulty. Here. Log Maze candidate difficulty. This is what I want to see. Maze difficulty. Let's see. 5, 8, 6, 7, 5. Can I put a 10 here? I'm interested. Okay, he found a 10. Let's restart. Interesting. A 10 he finds pretty fast. I am interested how a 10 looks. Okay. Let's zoom like this. I make myself very tanky. Still start a timer, but okay. So I go down. So the enemies have to be removed. Here's my first choice. Left is no choice because it's stuck. So it wasn't even a choice. I have no choice. I have no choice. Now I have left or right. This is a valid choice. Okay, hitting this one. Let's go try to see backwards. It's 2. I go left. 50-50. Oh no. Okay, this wasn't a choice. This is a dead end. And slow. Okay, I can increase the speed. So I can increase. Okay, here's the next choice. Top or it looked like I missed. Okay. Next choice. I think this is a high difficulty. Should I? But it works in a way. But 10 I won't want to have. So go back to 5. Reload. The only thing I'm interested in is, does it crash? It is, interestingly, it doesn't even take time, or it is noticeable. Maybe sometimes it's laggy. Sometimes it can take time. So I need to, no, I have a version which works. Maybe I should check what is the difficulty. It's a 5 currently, so it shouldn't be too hard. But I should clear enemies around it. And enemies on... Okay, maybe this is the best. So I have now it's not escapable. Decent generation. Okay. I have... Looks like something that should be more consistent. I did try different maze sizes. I did. Escapability is not given. And my thought is currently, the moment I enter it, I... Solve maze because you better know where the place next to do the notch. There's a to-do. Does it matter? I think it doesn't matter. It's a bug. It doesn't... It's losing an option for placing tiles, but as long as I'm getting mazes in a decent time, I guess I don't care. Continue with check escape. I don't care. I have maze middle needs to be reached. The middle should only be reached with a certain path. And tiles will be changed. Yes, make algorithm. Okay, algorithm. Okay, remove enemies on tile. Yes, this is add new curse eyes. Okay. So clean up maze. Middle needs to be reached. Tile where no one stands. Okay, this is not implemented. Middle should only be reachable to certain paths. I think I will put this for enemies and only allow straight sliding in maze. And maybe put character not too close to maybe put character not too close to blocking tiles. I will check later. So first enemies need to be deleted. How can I achieve this? Delete after testing, maze blocking. No, it's no. Why didn't I? I now use it. I don't care. You are now my important value here. I have on chunk create modify. Do I create enemies after? No, then they would not. I would just delete all enemies, I guess. I have map chunk, enemies, characters. I empty it. Throw them away. I guess. Because it's on create, it shouldn't create a problem. Let's see. Oh, I want the small enemies. One more. No? I'm confused. I want small enemies in the bottom right. Why doesn't it happen? Because I delete them. Ah. Okay. The entire area. Oh. No, 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 no. This is not what should happen. Middle? I want a middle, then I return. It's maze tile. Distance. Distance to the middle. It's maze tile. So if a maze tile, I delete enemies in this chunk. Now I would do this a lot of times. I hope this doesn't get problems. So I make small enemies. Now around this, there are no enemies. Okay, perfect. Now I slide. Okay, once I decide I'm stuck in here. Maybe I can, if I make here walkable tile. Maybe this is good enough. I will find out. My left or right is the choice. I don't see. Probably if I hit this tile. Yes, here, here. Here. Only go up. I don't see it. I think the difficulty is good. That I'm always at the sides is a bit annoying. And I can still... Can I? I now keep running top right. I can slide sideways, yes. I want to only allow sliding. Sliding be a bit faster. Don't know. So enemies are gone. This is what I wanted. No enemies and enemies and maze. Commit. Enemies only allow straight sliding in maze. I wonder how I enforce it. Maybe these are different slide tiles. Maybe this sliding puts one centered. I mean, I can go straight in and then I have to how can I enforce only straight sliding? Only vertical horizontal sliding. Straight it's always. Vertical, horizontal. Let's drink a bit. I wonder if cheating the maze as a ball character should have some consequence. Oh, let's try it. If I take a tamer, what happens? Go in their pets. You pull me? Yes, you do. Oh, you change. Oh god. Okay. It's basically did happen here. Sliding does break the leashes? Maybe. Yes, it does. But they... Let's fatten them up and let's see. They pull me. Okay. Yes, okay. Different difficulties. Now, musician shouldn't have ball. I mean, as a ball? Why didn't I bounce? Because I'm immune. I didn't know. Okay. I have to stop in the middle. But as a ball, I can at least... This is what I need to... It doesn't stop me. Okay, but this way. Now So I have to stay, but it's a lot easier if I'm a ball. Other is tower builder. Doesn't matter. So I want no side. Do I want it? Do I care? Does it make it easier? So let's see. I slide diagonal. I cannot stop here. I will always slide to a corner, I guess. Yes. Here I maybe can one top left. Oh, closely not. Maybe? It isn't too bad, but it gives me a lot of options, I guess. I go top right. I cannot stop until I reach a corner. Maybe this is fine. Only time will tell, I guess. How do I... Don't see how it helps me. So maybe diagonal sliding is fine for now. I want to reach the middle. I have to stop this tile. I cannot. I need to come from this direction, but I cannot. Here, the other one. Here are two options. If I hit these. And would it go down? Right? Up? Upright? Oh, no, it doesn't help. I try around. It's not really help. Maybe, this location might be fine. So here I can go top right. I miss here, but okay. I think I accept diagonal now. I made it to the middle. Now I have to... Something needs to be here, I guess. To know what makes me... I wanted to have a snowman. But how does a player know he needs to reach it? Maybe if something is standing in the middle, it is obvious enough. I mean, it's the only... But why do I need to reach it? And... I place an enemy here. This is my boss. He's immune to damage, but he will die if I reach this and I'm slow. I guess I just do a snowman and done. So I don't care for horizontal vertical. I am fine with sliding diagonal. Okay, I don't know. It slice. Okay, this is duplicated. What I have in here. Middle should only be reachable to certain paths. It's done. Set size by tiles. I can set it. I can... Certain tiles will be changed to blocking tiles to reach middle. Have stairs my algorithm I did. Search reachable. Use. Okay. Okay. Have steps. Create element. Create I did. Add new curse. So. To extend. Of course. Is it my third? I have cloud, I have darkness. Now I have ice. What do I want? What's my time? Still half an hour. So I guess I paint a snowman. I put him in the middle. And once the player reaches the middle, he wins. Also, I did not see me spawn a few bosses because... Okay, here it is. I wanted to see the ice patches. It's growing. Perfect. Here's the ice labyrinth. Here is let's kick a few. Kick, all my test characters. Okay, but let's paint a snowman, I guess. Stop this for a moment. What is it? The image size? I think my tiles were in 2020, so not too much bigger. PNG. Do I see the image sizes? No. This is all. Slimes are 4020. So 2020 is like. How I do. Let's do 4040 and it's scaled down. 4040. Okay. I want alpha channel. So I delete everything. Snowman, 1 pixel. Oh, it's already too big. 1, 2, 3, and I think this is my snowman. Doesn't feel like. Okay, let's just snowman. They still have. Okay, they have also dots. I don't need to follow this pattern. He has carrot nose. I do not have yet. Let's take the snowman. Save as. Save. I save it in Helmi Game Dev, Blick Images, Snowman. Save. I need to export as a PNG. Export. So perfect. I need to. How was it? I need to add the image somewhere. I have images. Images load. Did images load? No, I have. But I have to remember. How's my time? I have a bit time, so app generation. I have a area boss. Let's copy from Cloud Machine, maybe. This is not too much. Name. So area boss snowman. Area Cloud Machine also has an image, which now will be image area boss type snowman. This is snowman. It was a 4040. Area boss type lightning. Just say snowman, snowman, snowman. I have boss lighting, okay. Add ability, cloud machine, boss cloud, no. I don't think my boss will have a level. Do I need it? Don't need a tick. Paint on this, yes, all we will need to happen. Create boss lightning, boss ice snowman. Boss size will be 40. Color doesn't matter. Do I need a color? Let's give him black dummy value. Why do I have a dummy value? Because I don't fill these. Abilities, melee. No, he doesn't have abilities. Area boss enemy lightning cloud machine, no. This should be, didn't rename it. Enemy snowman. There's nothing special about this one. To add the area boss. It did not rename it seems. Let's type snowman. Do I okay. Scale boss level, no, I don't care. On this. He will have. Where do I? Is this the kill area was HP? No, I don't. Turn area boss. Area was. I think the dummy value is HP. And one is perfect. On this paint will paint. Why did I need a paint? It has had an animation. Can't I use a default paint? If I throw this away, no, he wants a paint. Spider also had a special paint. I'm a stationary image. I check if I'm visible. I don't have any animation. Because I don't have any animation, I will just be 0, 0. Character with hate. I reduced it. HP. Okay, let's take it for now. Tick. Const spider. Didn't I do cloud machine? So spider's incorrect here. Spider. Only two. Okay, I can do this too. Cloud machine. Doesn't matter that much. This snowman. I tick ability, tick AI. There's no AI behind it. I don't need to tick debuffs. I need to tick debuffs. I probably need to. And now I will want to make my boss immune. Scaling. Don't need. Area boss scaling, area boss is immune. No, area boss is unmovable is true. Area boss is damage immune is true. Yeah, boss point is also true. Nothing can affect him. Now if a player reaches him, I don't. So if get tile, get map tile based on the position, yes. Snowman position, snowman as the position directly. Game state map, game state ID counter game. Map tile does this return? Const tile is tile. What do I have? Looking color layer slide. I don't want the tile. I want the tile XY. Tile XY. Map key enter to position. Position to game map tile XY. This is what I want. And I need map and position. So it's this one. So snowman has a position. And this gives me a tile. Now I need closest player, find closest, determine closest character. I need a position. Snowman characters. Characters is get player characters. Game state players. Filter for enemies. Filter for enemies. I don't remember why it does matter. Because I don't consider that. Not by enemy. Ignored by enemies. No, I don't. Care. Determine closest character. Const closest player. So if closest player is a distance is smaller. What is it? 40? Game map. No, game state map tile size. If this is smaller, then I check position. I don't use the tile before, so now I const snowman tile and const player tile. It is possible that the closest one, no, the snowman should be in the middle. Position to game map tile. This one, it's the closest player character. He tells me it could be undefined. character can be null. It could have a distance. Okay, let's close this player. And so I have a min distance character. So if snowman tile x is equals player tile x and don't know if copying is faster getting, but so it's the same tile. All this I only need to do if snowman point is damage immune. If he's still damage immune, I check this one. And if this is the case, I will do snowman point is false. And I want to paint if snowman, do I have him here? Where was? Is damage immune. I want to paint, say, a circle around him. Tx arc CT begin pass arc CTX stroke. I need CTX stroke style is black. Arc, tell me the values. It's the middle, it's the snow, it's the area boss in this case. Area boss Y. Radius is 20. Start angle 0, mass point pi times 2, full angle. I painted, done. Okay. Now I have a snowman. What did I do? I thought I pressed remove news. Okay. I added the snowman to area bosses. I put the curse lightning there for the moment. I remove the map modifier. I will remove the ice from the area. Should I? I want to. To do remove ice from area. So I can easily do stuff. So now I should have my map modifier ice. I should put in my boss. Is it on game init? Here I area boss. This will be now create area boss snowman. I snowman and I push him. I only do this. It's not celestial direction, correct? Okay, let's see. Did not complain. Twisted. Is there a snowman? There's a snowman. Why do I see his HP? Because I painted. Do I see the circle? I don't see the circle. But he should be damage immune. Yes. So I will small change. Only if he's not damage immune, I will paint the HP bar. But why do I not see the circle? It's damage immune, should be true. I arc, area boss, area... It's okay. Because I'm an idiot. The paint position... Okay, I don't want to get the paint position a second time. Move it up, so I have it in here. It's the center. It should be next try. I have my circle. I mean, it's not clear, but let's see if I now... Okay, this seems to be a difficult maze. Do I still put out the difficulty 5? It should be easy, interesting. Doesn't look easy to me. Too many options. I cannot cheat it. Okay, let's see. I can... There's so many options. Okay, I don't set the line width. I want set its line width. Let's set it to 2. Maybe I should animate the circle a bit. And I see, no, this is one too low. And I'm in the different corner. Okay, I was not close enough. This is good. Don't see it. I don't see this one maybe. E and maybe I can reach this corner somehow. I'm here. I'm here. It's the incorrect corner. Maybe not. Oh, this is a solution. Perfect. And zack, I can shoot him and it removed. So it's happening now. I don't have a curse for it yet. This is working. It might not be obvious. So I could make some animation. Canvas gradient, canvas pattern. I can put a gradient on it. Never done it. I want to try it. I have 10 minutes. Canvas gradient example. JavaScript. Linear gradient. Just give me an example. XY, XY. Result. Perfect. Gradient three color. It did take quite long play. Okay. I have create linear gradient. Start gradient point is at 2, the end gradient point is confused. I mean, it's not too hard to create something, but goes to green, to cyan, to green. And it's a gradient and puts a fill style. Just take and see what happens. I have my gradient and I have, let's say, let's make it 3 so it might be better visible. Black, white, black. Can I what happens if I started a different? I will see over time. I try a bit around. Now I have, no, I don't see anything. Did I put the gradient in? No, I did not. Obvious. Fast. Don't see anything. Maybe I did not wait long enough. The second try, nothing. The gradient is in. It's my stroke style. There's a probability that these values don't help. I have no idea why. Okay, let's read one more time the x coordinate of the start point. Also, so I need to. This needs to be. So the 20 to 20 are here. Something I don't. Linear gradient. Fiddle rect. This is a position 2020. It's 200 in width and 100. So that it goes from 20 to 220. I understand from 0 to 0 means there's no difference. Okay, but this makes sense. My arc starts at paint pose x minus what? Minus 20, and it goes to paint pose x plus 20. And I do 0, 0 because hope it doesn't matter. Let's see another try. Something happened. Now I want to see if I can can I move this? So I want to animate it a bit. Can a gradient be animated? Linear gradient, radial gradient. Method. Okay, so radial gradient using size coordinate of two circles. takes execution of the start circle, the execution of the start circle, end circle, circle. Conic gradient? I don't understand. Why two circles? Let's try a few more. Conic gradient. It's a gradient around a point with given coordinates. Gradient around a point. I take the center. These angles. Angles. Okay, this might be what I want, or what I can use in a better way. Let's try this one. Let's copy it, because I will gradient, conic, what are the values? Start angle, okay, and point. Now it makes sense. And point y, this is easy. I want to go from black to white and do game state time divided by 1000, and I will see. Maybe I will need to modulo it, maybe it does it itself. It will break. I think it's barely what I want, so let's do this one. And no, black. So this might now look like more barrier type. So at least it's it's noticeable. So something is there. Let's take it. With my time, I should come to an end soon. I want to don't see it hits this pass. I missed. I am unsure. This is now a loop, which I cannot exit if I couldn't. Okay. F right top. Isn't this my dash? Yes, this is a dash. Interesting. So this I shouldn't take. This I would probably. Yes, okay. Now he's visible. No, it's dead. Okay. This is perfect. Now. Okay. I do not die. It will not be saved, so he should be still there. Perfect. So now there is something which makes it. Okay, you see, you need to, or it's something is there, let's say. Can see I cannot shoot at it, so I should try to reach it. Snowman was area was snowman commit. Now I should make task so I can know where I am on. Remove ice tiles when snowman dies, and change tiles to tiles I won't play. This curse on king. Yes. So ice curse. Let's say changes tiles one player to ice over time. Stronger curse faster. And more tiles. Change tiles to ice tiles on player. Change the. Yes, this is basically what I want, but this is not like there has to be some other benefit to the ice curse. Maybe I have a permanent. For now I need permanent ice over damage and slow around player. Okay, I think this is fine. More range. Okay. I guess this is good enough. I should run my tests. No, I should disable it. Maybe next time I enable already, and then I need new think, but think about enabling ice curse and do new ones. Okay, so I disabled the curse. I'm unsure if I reload. No, there was a number. I test replays, they should still work. I don't expect any timing differences. I didn't run all tests for a long time. Let's watch them to the end. Because I did not change anything because it always disables the ice. Working was slower, but short musician was, but well, it doesn't matter. was okay. I expect all to work. I could also at some point decide about limiting the pathfinding so this message does not happen again, but it doesn't create problems currently. Long timer was 12% slower, okay. Okay, ball was also slower. So the the little enemies are slower. I don't remember changing anything. Okay, it at least works. Disable eyes and some tasks updates and commit push. And with this, I'm done for today. I shortly think, did I forget anything? No, I think I remembered everything. So I end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.